Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get health widgets on lock screen in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get health widgets on your lock screen, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply go to lock screen on your iPhone. Now here just keep a long press on your lock screen on any empty place here. Now just tap on this customize option and here just tap on add widgets under your time here. Just tap on add widgets. And here you'll see a different widget. You just have to scroll down, look for the option of health. Once you find health, select that. Now here you will get a lot of widgets provided by your health app. You just have to select any of it you want to add. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. Once you have tapped on the widget, it will be automatically added to your lock screen. So you can add multiple widgets in this way. Let's say I'm gonna select add this one again and let's say I'm gonna add this one also. So these will be added. You can also add widgets on these two widgets section. So once I've done this, tap on the done option in the top right, and your lock screen is ready. Now you'll get health widgets on your lock screen. So in this way, you can easily get health widgets on your lock screen in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.